guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing a quick clean with me of my bedroom. I know it's not that messy, but I did clean my room a few days ago, and of course it slowly started getting back to messy again. So I was like, no, let me just get up and just organize everything back how it was, because trust me, this room could get messy. But anyways, I haven't done this type of video in a very long time. I stated before that I will not do these kind of videos, but I am running out of ideas. It's been a month since I posted my last video, and that is no bueno. So I am needing to get some ideas, guys. So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments below. I keep asking and no one's saying anything, or I've done it and it's just running out of ideas and motivation. But anyways, I am going to keep continuing on. I need to start posting regularly because this is something I do enjoy doing, YouTube videos. So anyways, let me just stop talking and let you guys enjoy this video of a little bit of motivation. If you guys need to go clean your bedroom or a certain area that keeps getting messy, just get up and go clean it. Anyways, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And let me just stop talking because that's what I love to do, and let you guys enjoy this video. Okay.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, be shy.